Hi, I'm Steve and welcome to Festool TV. Today I'm going to be talking about the EHL65EQ planer. At 2.4 kilograms, the EHL65 is the lightest, most compact, powerful one-handed planer in its class. The EHL can remove up to a massive 4mm in a single pass, rebate up to 23mm while leaving a really fine finish. The quality of finish is achieved by a single curved blade. This slices away the timber rather than scraping it away like multiple blades and bruises the material. Dust extraction is exceptional and can be moved from either side quickly and easily by pushing it through and changing it over. So this is never in your way. The dust port accepts 27mm bayonet on the inside and a 36mm connector on the outside. Depth of cut is simple and quick by turning the handle on the front of the machine up to a maximum of 4mm. You can see from the angle left on the cut that the block shaves the timber, leaving that fantastic finish. I can then bring the EHL65 back up to where I left off and continue. I can put the EHL65 down safely because of the delta foot on the rear comes down automatically and protects the blade from hitting the surface. And because of its shape, it clears out the wear, so there's one less thing to think about. Rebates are easy to achieve and always repeatable with the EHL65 using the side fence. This will enable you to follow the side of your timber, giving accuracy and repeatability each time. You can then adjust the width by unscrewing this screw to set your width. I'm starting my rebate at 3.5mm. And then we'll continue until I've reached my required depth. So with the EHL65EQ, we have an excellent quality of finish thanks to the spiral blade. We can work precisely using the guides, and with outstanding extraction, you'll have more time to work and less time cleaning up. I'm Steve, and thank you for watching Festool TV.